साल पहले मालूम पड़ा।
हाँ,
राज्य के अंदर।
हाँ,
मालूम।
2015 में
हाँ,
जून में
हाँ,
बना था।
हाँ। And that time it was just a 2 centimeter thing.
Yeah, it was small patch.
Very small thing. That's
One
all.
gland.
Yeah.
And one gland, whatever. It was 2
हाँ,
centimeter thing.
हाँ,
One gland.
हाँ.
तो उसमें आपका you had the whole surgery done.
प्लास्टिक सर्जरी।
Plastic surgery
Then
done.
biopsy हुआ,
Hmm.
and then they suggested that I have to go for surgery
हाँ,
immediately
हाँ,
because this is a severe situation.
हाँ. So now you got one surgery done here. This whole neck has been gone.
Yeah.
And then your mouth, वहाँ पे कुछ flap का surgery किया उसका
हाँ, हाँ.
तो इतना बड़ा
Has been massage, has been taken from
आपका
there,
अभी जो पैर का हुआ,
and
this time पैर में
from
देखिए।
there, for the jaw.
तो ये सब सर्जरी करके I mean after all this surgery were you able to eat, sleep, this what?
Eating
Two major problems. Last 1 year, I am on liquid diet. I don't have any taste remaining in my mouth, and mouth open is a big problem.
And are you sort of you're working? What were you working before this?
I was a branch manager in a bank, SBI Bank.
Now you can't go back to that work,
I am trying to. That's it.
but you are not.
I have been honest with my.
And his speech is not clear. The second thing, he can't eat anything. Only by
No,
the
basically, sir, I will say in the normal Indian society, a cancer survivor is like a big challenge to everyone.
first thing,
So now when you go back to your doctor, what does he say? Because इतना करने के बाद भी आपको रेडियोथेरेपी दी, कीमोथेरेपी दी,
केमो आउट राउंड हुआ।
हाँ,
आठ
आउट
दिन
राउंड
के
कीमो
तीन
का
और
हुआ।
तीन
तो अभी पूरा सर्जरी पूरा जो दिखा भी नहीं आपका।
Then जब demo और registration हुआ, जो registration
My point is आपका हिस्टोपैथ रिपोर्ट में बोल दिया गया है कि everything has been removed.
हाँ,
That is what 2.2 centimeter has been removed. Then why are they giving chemotherapy and radiotherapy?
नहीं, उस टाइम हमने नहीं लिया, तो इन लोगों ने हमारे ऊपर बहुत शाउटिंग किया, आप अपने मन से कर रहे हो और इसके लिए बहुत आपको परेशानी उठानी पड़ेगी ये वो। हमने कहा आगे
and the worst part was in November, a small recurrence happened there. And the moment we went there,
This was after chemotherapy or before?
No.
Before. Okay.
so he said, see, I told you, if I'm not present this now, see what has happened. So, अभी मैं ऑपरेशन नहीं करूँगा, आप अभी समझ लीजिए। तो सिर्फ समझ हुआ, देन रेडिएशन हुआ, वो सब होने के बाद जब मेरा फिर से स्कैन आया, फिर से थोड़ा सा टाइम पे था, so the oncologist medicine, see again result in that हुआ, surgeon said that अभी मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, अब वापस कर दो।
और उसमें राइट साइड नोट, जॉ एंड टंग, तीन
So
चीजें।
now you can't eat.
No,
No, you
last
can't
1
eat.
year,
Do you sleep properly?
yeah,
You sleep properly. What about this saliva which keeps on dripping?
yeah.
That keeps on dripping.
पहले ज़्यादा था,
And your
अब
speech is
कम हुआ।
what? Speech is what? Hardly 30% of what it used to be.
Yeah, obviously.
एक्चुअली रेडिएशन के बाद तो इसका इतना कंडीशन खराब था, ये तो होल नाइट सो नहीं
After first surgery, I was able to cross
There
over.
is only one side.
हाँ,
हाँ।
and इसने ऑफिस भी ज्वाइन कर लिया, 3 महीना इसने ऑफिस किया,
हाँ।
लेकिन नवंबर में जब वो बड़ा ग्लैंड निकला, मैं यहाँ टाटा में भी लेके आई, उनको
So
भी
the
दिखा।
point is कि even after normal इतना बड़ा सर्जरी के बाद भी 100% ट्यूमर बाहर नहीं निकला। तो
नहीं,
फायदा क्या होता है?
अच्छा उसके बाद नहीं, उन्होंने तो कह दिया कि आपने चूंकि नहीं लिया है रेडिएशन।
No, the point was कि you have done such a big surgery.
हाँ,
You have done such a big surgery to get rid of the tumor.
yeah.
But according to this, and this is a very small tumor. It's hardly 2.2 centimeters. I mean, all this thing has been removed.
But that is your
So
surgery.
even in spite of that,
हाँ,
it came up again.
yeah.
I mean, it was not any pan gutka or something you were taking.
Yeah.
So this is a dysplasia issue, which I am trying to tell you. कि ये जो चीज है ना, this is not to do with your surgery. You understand? It is because गुटखा वगैरह के साथ ना lining ही खराब हो जाती है. The lining itself gets affected. So you have a सुल्तान बोला.
Yeah.
उन्होंने क्या बोला?
जब हमारा सेकंड सर्जरी से पहले हमें किसी ने बताया कि आप जो है बॉम्बे जाइए और डॉक्टर प्रधान को मिलिए। हम मिले एंड उनका था पोषण हम पूरा निभा देंगे।
उसके बाद हम नहीं जाते हैं।
हम कुछ नहीं जाते।
नहीं
कुछ बोला नहीं क्या इतना सब सर्जरी के बाद भी?
हाँ।
नहीं, उन्होंने कहा अब जो
So now you said your family is not there with you now. Wife
No.
wife is
No.
Wife
divorced
and
and child is all gone. And were you ever did you ever prepare for this kind of what is called consequences of your surgery? Were you prepared for all this?
Mentally I was, because the day I knew I have this, I searched my
That is
parents.
like consequences of the surgery. That means what? You're not eating, not sleeping
No,
properly,
no.
your wife going out, your child.
I never thought of.
You never
When
thought of all these things.
I didn't never thought of.
The other now the life is only between you and your mother.
Yeah.
There is no third person in your
father
life.
already passed away.
You don't have any friends. You don't go out. You don't
No.
nothing.
Whole day he
Whole day is
is
at home
only
only.
he is seeing this
Reports only.
mobile and so many review of patients.